In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll be able to add clean, readable text directly onto your images using Mailchimp's built-in editor, so your emails look polished without needing any external design tools. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. Once you're in the dashboard, we'll head to the area where all your creative assets live. From the main navigation, click Content. This opens the Content Studio, which is essentially your library for images, logos, and other files you've uploaded. If you have a lot of assets, you can use search or filters to find what you need more quickly. Find the image you want to add text to and click it. Choose an image that supports the message you plan to write on top. High-resolution images with a bit of empty space or consistent background make text easier to read. If you're working with busy photos, think ahead about color and placement so your words don't get lost. With the image selected, click View Details. This takes you to the image's preview page, where you can manage versions and see file information. Now click Edit Image. This opens Mailchimp's image editor, where we'll do the text overlay. It loads in the same window with an editing toolbar and a live preview of your image. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Tools panel. We're going to use the Text tool. Click Text. A text box will appear on your image, and you'll see options for formatting. You can change the color here, which is key for readability. Pick a color that contrasts with the background. Light text on dark areas, or dark text on light areas usually works best. If your brand has a specific color, this is a good place to apply it for consistency. Double-click directly inside the text field on the image to activate the cursor. That puts you into edit mode so you can update the placeholder text. Now type the text you want to add. Keep it short and skimmable. Think of a headline, a call-out, or a brief call to action. Short phrases tend to look better over images than long sentences. If your message is longer, consider breaking it onto 2 lines to balance the layout. Click and drag the text box to reposition it. Move it to an area where there's enough contrast and visual breathing room. Avoid placing text too close to the edges. Giving it a bit of margin looks cleaner and helps on mobile screens. If resize handles appear, you can adjust the box to fit your layout and tweak the font size if needed so it stays readable without overwhelming the image. If the text blends into the background, try a stronger color, add a subtle stroke if available, or shift the placement to a calmer part of the image. Once you're happy with the placement and styling, click Save. This commits your changes to the image in your Content Studio so it's ready to use anywhere in your campaigns. Give it a moment to process. If you notice something you want to change immediately, you can step back before leaving the editor and make the adjustment. When the save completes, click Close to exit the editor and return to the Image Details page. Back in the Content Studio, click the image again to confirm your text appears as expected. Then click View Details to preview it at a larger size and double-check sharpness, contrast, and alignment. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow you'll follow each time: open Content, choose your image, view its details, edit the image, use the text tool, type and position your message, save, close, and review. With a clear headline, good contrast, and consistent brand color, your text overlay will look intentional and professional across desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Mailchimp.